fresh watermelon salsa is on the menu today. So we need a watermelon, red onion, fresh mint, fresh cilantro, 2 jalapeno peppers, and 1 lime for the zest and the juice. Okay, so in a large bowl here, we're gonna add in 4 cups of diced fresh watermelon. Next, we're gonna add in 1/4 of a cup of red onion. I diced this small as well. Then we have 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro that I've minced up really fine. A 1/2 cup of fresh mint that I've also minced up well. 1 large fresh jalapeno that is diced. And the zest of 1 lime. And the juice of 1 large lime. This is about 3 tablespoons. So I'm just gonna drizzle that all over and we're gonna mix these together. This watermelon salsa can be enjoyed in many ways. You can serve it over top of grilled chicken, grilled fish, use as a side dish for tortilla chips, or pita chips. I'm gonna serve mine today with some cinnamon chips. This fresh watermelon salsa recipe is quick to make and delicious to enjoy all summer long.